Hi all, I'm Meera and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video and I wanted to start by sharing a story that completely changed my life. A moment that I'll never forget. It's the story of how I manifested my dream job at Accenture even after failing the coding round, missing my interview and thinking that I had absolutely no chance. But somehow it all happened. I'm super excited to begin this journey with all of you, sharing my lessons, stories, and miracles. I'm sure the story will inspire you all, so stay tuned till the end. I studied engineering, but honestly, I did not have big coding knowledge like most of others. I always felt like I was behind when it came to technical stuffs. During my final year, placement season started, but it was also a recession time at that period. Our college made it very clear that only one major company would be visiting us for campus placements, and that would be Accenture. All the other big companies, they were going to be off campus, which meant heavy competition. So our professors kept repeating, "This is your only chance, grab it." So naturally, everyone, including our toppers, coders, and most of the talented students, started preparing very hard for it. And there I was, with just basic coding knowledge, no real confidence, and a whole lot of fear. But even with all that fear, I did not want to give up. I just started learning the basics of coding and I practiced coding every day consistently. But honestly, I knew deep down that this coding knowledge which I had was not enough to clear the actual coding assessment. So there were two coding questions and clearing both was mandatory. But deep down, I just believed that I could. And I just wrote this thing in my journal, which you can see on the screen. I wrote this and I believed it and I just started working on other things. And then came the big day. The first round was aptitude and coding. Aptitude was something I was pretty confident about and I cleared that easily. But when it came to the coding round, I blanked out. The problems felt hard and I was not even able to solve one problem completely. But still, I just tried something and I submitted whatever I could and I just walked out of the hall feeling completely disappointed. Honestly, this time I knew that I had lost the chance. But I didn't even want to check my phone because I knew the result would not be in my favor. So everyone around me was checking their results, but I avoided it. After a few minutes, I just opened my mobile phone to see the results. After calming my mind, I just opened my mobile phone. To my surprise, I just cleared the coding round. I could not even believe what I was seeing. I hadn't solved the questions and yet I was selected. That moment, it truly felt like the start of a miracle. That's when I started believing deeper in all these things and I started being grateful for everything that I knew. But that was not the end. After clearing the coding round, I also cleared the communication round. I reached the final stage, which was the HR interview. I was assigned a time slot, but due to technical issues, I was not able to join on the assigned time. I finally managed to log in during the last 5 minutes of the interview session, but the interviewer was not even interested. He just introduced himself, he asked for my intro, and that was it. I was trying to explain what happened on my side, but he was completely rude. He didn't have any interaction with me, no questions, nothing. So my entire HR interview lasted barely for 3 to 4 minutes, while others had proper HR interview for 20 to 30 minutes. I broke down. I cried for 2 full days. Everyone, even my college staffs told me maybe it's not your time, maybe you're not lucky. And honestly, at that moment I started believing it. But somewhere deep inside, I was not ready to give up. That's when I came back to Dr. Joe Dispenza's work, this time with a deeper intention. I did not know everything about his teachings, but I understood one thing very well, which was the heart brain coherence. So I decided to do the work. Every single night I meditated. I imagined myself receiving the offer letter. I imagined how it would feel to celebrate with my family and friends. I just visualized it again and again, tears of joy, overwhelming gratitude, as if it had already happened. So even when the reality was showing the opposite, I kept doing the work. Exactly after 2 weeks of that HR interview, my final results were announced. Out of more than 1000 plus students, only 50 were selected. And guess what? I was one of them. Me, the girl who couldn't even solve the coding questions, who barely had an HR interview, who was told you have no chance. I was in that final list. Even some of the toppers and coders from our college did not make it. But I did. That moment, I could not stop crying. Not out of sadness, but out of pure gratitude. I'm extremely grateful for Dr. Joe Dispenza because that's when I started diving deeper into his work. And in upcoming videos, I'll share my entire journey from the person who was lost to the person I am today. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to my channel and like it and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. I believe that the story would have definitely touched your heart and gave you hope. So this is just the beginning. I'll see you in the next video.